Hello everyone, this is Amanda doing a screencast with you today with Boeing Aircraft Company, and today we are discussing our upcoming overseas journey to Paris, France. This is an ideal move overseas since we lack any regional offices anywhere in these areas, and we are hoping to expand on one of the most popular places in the world with strong economic standing. Today I am here to explain to you some of the fundamental things to keep in mind when you are traveling to this area, including some of the things to remember about greetings, meetings, appropriate attire, culture, and etiquette. Alright, so let's get started. When greeting in France, it is very formal. Timing is absolutely everything. When you are making business meeting introductions, one should always refer to superiors as Madame or Monsieur. Handshakes are brisk and light with only a few shakes. If you are going to be late, make sure you call them and let them know because they are very particular about being on time, like I have said before. Be sure to exchange business cards in French as it is seen as being very attentive. Alright, meetings and general rules. Americans love to ask questions about personal life to break the ice. Avoid doing this while in France. It is not seen as cute, and it is definitely not considered professional. Expect to be asked a lot of questions about the negotiations. They are made relatively slow and do not rush the process. Do not expect decisions to be made at the meeting as they are usually made by higher officials. Avoid pressuring sales tactics at all costs. It might just lose the deal instead of seal the deal like we are ultimately trying to do. Appropriate attire. France, as we all know, is one of the world's leading fashion countries. Attire must be completely formal as it is something that is paid much attention to. Men should wear dark-colored formal suits, and women may also wear formal suits with soft colors. Any accessories that are worn must be of high quality. Now, when I say this, I'm not saying that you have to wear something that's like $500, but don't wear something cheap, don't wear something tacky. Anything that you wear must be good quality, it must be nice, it must have taste, as we want to come off in the most professional and the best way possible. Okay, a little bit about culture and etiquette. France is a very culturally rich country and is centralized around their food and their wine. There's a decent chance the meeting could even take place in a restaurant or something with a meal involved. If so, there are a couple things that you need to keep in mind. One, as I've said before, please be on time. This is extremely important. Don't begin eating until invited with bon appetit, and cross your fork and knife over your plate with the fork in front of the knife if you have not finished eating. There are usually gifts that are presented when you are eating. It's usually flowers and wine given as gifts, and they are open on receipt instead of later. I know this is really different in the American culture. Usually people wait until the end to open gifts so it's not seen as greedy, but this is not the case in France. It's just best if you open it right when you get them. Alright, bonne chance. That means good luck on your adventures in France. This business trip will be centralized through high-end business making decisions. Cultural awareness is extremely important. I need bright, attentive employees who are educated in the French language and will present the best possible image for our company as possible.